The Wurkkos Ts28 is a high-performance rechargeable LED flashlight known for its powerful 3200 lumens output and a long-range throw in a compact, durable design. The Wurkkos Ts28 is designed for versatility, featuring dual operating modes and a robust construction for outdoor and emergency use. The flashlight uses a luminous SFT70 LED to produce up to 32 luminance with a beam distance of up to 506 meters. It has a balanced beam with a focus-centered spot for distance and a wide flood for peripheral vision. It's powered by and included a high-capacity 5,000 milliamp lithium-ion battery and sports fast USB charging. It also has a reverse charging mode, so you can use it as a power bank function and allows you to charge other devices in an emergency. It offers two operating modes. A step mode provides 8 preset brightness levels: eco, low, medium, high, turbo, strobe, SOS, and beacon. The ramp mode allows smooth, stepless brightness adjustments from 0 to 32 lumies. All right, so besides giving us this nice little lanyard to hold on to it with and make sure you don't lose it, right? This one also comes with some gaskets, little rubber gaskets for the cylinder here itself, or up in here, and then the back here. You can put these on. These are extra, so it does come with them already. Hopefully we don't ruin it, huh? Yeah, so look at that. Flashlight is in there, huh? Let's see if we can change the settings here. Pretty cool, huh?